So guys, we're gonna show you it's 0 degrees right now, minus 32 Celsius. So we're just gonna show you, we're gonna spray this water, will turn into snow. Look at that, guys. That's how cold it is. There you go. Can you see it? Look at the ice, the water, guys, just turned into snow. That's how cold it is right now. 0 degrees, minus 32 C. Oh wow, guys, we have a snow. Look at that, mga kapatid. We have
A blizzard.
we have an instant snow right here.
We have a
We're
blizzard.
doing this in front of our house, which is really freezing right now. If you're gonna stay here in 5 minutes, we're probably gonna be like dead. That's cold. That's how cold it is outside.
Okay.
We have an instant snow right here. Ayan, guys.